Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Ka Deputy Commissioner jangka East Khasis District ka Kong Mat Siudor Warnong Bri Hakishi Terwiyayong Arajar Arpo Kala kawe lama Shwaban Sami ki Marbam Shaki Khat Snsbh li ki Longïing ki Baduk ki Badan Hakishnong Hakidong Baraki Kentoj Beper-per jangka Nong Bak Shillong Yakaba Lanok Senyang Daka Kenhun Shillong Marwari Community Yaki Marbam Kumukhaw Udai ka Umpanyang Bat Kamlu Pala Ais Ngubha Daka Shillong Marwari Community La IT haka senjuk ki klik nong sensyar Shnong ke beriuh nyotrap ban pen boy pat igini ki Marbam Shaki Shnong beper bat ban sampat Shaki Longïing ki bada don kam shisha yakini ki Marbam hakum ngini kapur bakim don lat satya ban lek kamai kaji na kajing pakang Shnong dak sorkar ha baro akoi keri India komsi benta bani khontma bat ban yada ya kajing jong ki pat ba nong Shnong na kajing sapriang jong kenyang jing pang coronavirus
in their respective wholesale traders' shop, the insurance to ensure that stock is made available to our local traders. And despite all that, they have also taken it upon themselves to ensure that they come out of their own hearts to contribute to locality to the community in a different manner. Together with the Rambashnongs, who I would like to place my heart and soul with, because they have contributed so much to our people, especially in these districts of East Khasis and the surrounding districts, to ensure that we work together during these very, very, very hard times. We all know that COVID-19 is a disease. We all know that it spreads so fast. We all know that more than anything else it is important for us to stay alive. But it's also important that we have food in our stomachs. It is also important for us to ensure that nobody sleeps at night without food. These are some things which can be spoken of very easily, but not very easily implemented on the ground. This can happen only if we work together. This is happening today. It's happening with the Marwari community, with the Rambashnongs, and I would also like to say that there are many other organizations who have already approached our office, some organizations who did not even approach our office anymore, to say that, Madam, we are going forward, we are going to help the poor, the downtrodden, the needy, those who cannot get rice from the fair price shop, those who do not have money in their pockets to go to the market to buy rice, those who are standing in line but still cannot get because of the long lines, and so on and so forth. We do have these problems, we do have these issues, and on a daily basis, like Barab had said very candidly, is that these problems had to be there because of the fact that Shillong city, East Khasis district, the state, the country, the world was not prepared for COVID-19. We will never be prepared for a disaster. We all know that. But the government, together hand in hand with all the organizations in the state, we will work together to ensure that our people have some food on their plate and do not sleep at night without any food. This is very important. I would like at this point of time to thank the Marwari community, as I said from the beginning, for this wonderful and amazing gesture to come out along hand in hand to work along with the Sanjok Rambashnong Bri Nyotrap to ensure that at least as many as possible number of poor and needy are reached out to, and these facilities are made available to them. To say that we need to work together because we have a common goal, and the common goal is that all of us should live. The common goal is that all of us should stay safe. All of us should not get this disease. We are blessed as of today that we do not have any cases in Meghalaya. We would like to keep it that way. I call upon all our citizens, please ensure that all the health advisories given are, strictly compliant with. We have to comply to them. Social distancing is a must. Washing your hands is a must. Use sanitizers whenever you can. Reach out to people who have not registered. who might be still roaming around and saying, I do not have to or I do not need to. I had gone to the affected states, I had gone to the affected countries. Please tell them to come out. There is nothing wrong with it. It's just a matter of us being sure that no one else is there in the city or in the district or in the state who have not registered themselves. We do not want that to happen. So please, I would call upon all of you, please do this, please come forward, come to the government. We are there, my office is there, my magistrates are there, the state government is there to ensure that we bring peace back to our peace and tranquility back to our district and our state. Once again, thank you the Marwari community, thank you the Lyngba Shillong for this very wonderful gesture, very important gesture at this important point of time. I wish all of you all the best, and we will pray to God that we get through this COVID-19 together.
Poor people should not go hungry. We started with sanitizers, small things, and you might have seen many water tanks with wash basin in and around Shillong. Then we started helping our police administration with face mask, hand gloves, so many other things. Then we started assisting Shillong Municipal Board through this free distribution of water tanks for hand wash during when the people will go to buy things, when the government is giving them room when to buy. Then we started giving this mattresses and blankets to the vagabonds, the rag pickers of the city, where municipal has. But we thought that it is not enough. The people should not go hungry. That was the main thing, and we formed a committee, Shillong Marwari community, and everybody was so full of enthusiasm to support this cause. Nobody should go hungry. We came together and we accumulated funds from our society and purchased through our Paltan Bazaar open shop. We will still have a talk with Mr. Bla, and then we will decide again another 1,500 households will be covered, and again another 15 households will be covered. And if possible, the COVID is over, it's okay, otherwise we'll go for another 1,500 households. So minimum we will go for 5,000 households. Nobody is president here, though we have got president of our Marwari community. Their factions are there. Somebody is representing some organization of Marwari, somebody is. But in this the entire Marwari community has come and they are supporting the cause of free distribution of rice to the poor, ration to the poor.